So let's talk a little bit about social media and how you can utilize social media for your website to create some good targeted traffic to your page. Most of us are familiar with these logos: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Snapchat. These are some of the most popular social media platforms. I'm sure that most of you are using them as a person, as an individual account, and many of you may have also a business account with them. Some of you might be even advertising or doing paid ads with these platforms. They all allow it now on a self-service basis. Actually, Snapchat started offering this since June as a self-service. So people can just go on their platform and start creating their own advertising. And what's good is that they are very popular. There is a huge audience on all of them, and they would allow you to do different really great things to engage with people. So let's talk about a little bit how an ad and organic post looks like. So similar to when you do a search on a search engine, you see ads and you see organic posts, organic website listings. This is the same on social media now. Pretty much the same. There are some differences which I'm going to explain now. So, this is a screenshot of my Facebook feed. I just took Facebook as an easy example, but you can see that on a lot of other platforms. And you can see that I have several posts on this page. All of them are by companies. There is nothing from my friends because companies tend to be more aggressive in their marketing. So I mainly see feed in my feed posts from companies. So the one above, the creepiest places you can visit in Europe, is by Travelers magazine called Condé Nast. It's a very big brand in the United States, a huge audience, a lot of content. So they appear organically because I have liked their page. If I hadn't liked their page, I wouldn't be seeing this post, even though it has a lot of comments, shares, likes. But they already have a very big database of people who have liked their magazine. They know it, they follow it, they follow their content, they're aware of the brand. So for them, this is a different level, this is a different game. The one below, called Episerver, as you can see, this is a suggested post. So what does that mean? This means that Episerver has created an ad through Facebook's ad builder platform for advertisers, and they are showing it to me because they have created an audience, and I'm in part of this audience. I will show you in detail how to create an audience, but creating actually a relevant group of people to see your ad is crucial to your success, the success of your campaign on social. In that case, Episerver might have put in their settings all the people interested in digital marketing or people who have degree in marketing. I don't have a degree in marketing, so probably that's not the case. But maybe they see people who have liked similar pages or publications, magazines, or maybe people who use the hashtag digital marketing or social media PPC websites, and they have targeted me on that setting. Then if I click on this post or if I decide to like their page, this means that they will be charged. And I will explain to you how the bidding works when it comes to Facebook. Then on this side, I see another ad, a smaller version, from a website called WordStream. This is a tool for pay-per-click advertising for search engines mainly, also for social, but it's a marketing tool. So I'm a client of this company and I'm on their website quite often. So what I think they're doing here is they're remarketing to me. So they're showing their website again, they're showing me posts from their blog so I can just go on it and read more. Maybe they're trying to upsell me, who knows? I'm already their client, but they're showing me an ad still. So that's quite often the case. And a lot of companies doing that because they have bigger packages and they would like their customers to pay more to get a new product. So maybe that's what they're doing here. But what I'm trying to say is on your feed in Facebook or in many other social medias, in Instagram particularly, you will see a lot of content which is not organic. So, what does that mean? And does it mean that if you don't have any budget on organic, you cannot be noticed on social media? Absolutely not. It's a bit more complicated. It takes a little bit more effort, and I'll show you some tactics that work very well for organic advertising. But when you pay, it actually makes it much easier for you. And you can do that on a very low budget. So I'm going to explain that in the next lecture.